Hey friends, Mr. Scott here. Have you ever wondered how to make your own homemade teleprompter for your newscast? Well, today I'm going to show you how we made our own for about $20. Beats buying an iPad and a bracket for your camera. So stay tuned, follow, here we go. Hey friends, I'm here in our newsroom and I wanted to take just a moment to show you our teleprompter. We've talked about this a little bit. You've seen that I've shown some pictures on social media, but I actually wanted to show you how this one was built. If you've ever worked in the news industry or with students doing the daily news at school, you want to make sure that when they are reading their script, that they are looking at the camera, and that they're not looking above the camera or below the camera or to one side reading the script. And the best way to do that is with a teleprompter. Now, there are some teleprompters out there that you can purchase. We've got some that actually attach to our cameras, but they take an iPad, and it's a little difficult with middle schoolers to get the right speed as they're reading through. They're worried about messing up. What I've found is easier for us is we simply use PowerPoint. But what we did was we took a couple of TVs that we had in the building. You could do this with a computer monitor, and we made our own teleprompter. You can see here that the image is on the screen and it's reflected up here so that they can see what they're trying to say. The nice thing about this is that the camera is on the other side of this angled piece of glass. And I'm going to take this one apart because we've actually made a smaller version. It takes up a little bit less space. So I thought while I was taking this apart, I would let you see what we had here. Now, as I said earlier, we've just got a TV monitor. You could do this with a computer monitor, and we just laid it flat. We did go into the computer and flip the desktop. And you can play with those settings to get it in the right direction so that when it bounces off the glass inside of your frame, it is in the correct format for your newscasters to read. What we did, you'll see I've simply got black paper wrapped around the screen. That simply offers coverage in here because you want this space to be dark. I'm going to pull these off because I want you to see I simply used the poster frame that I had. I had a Batman poster in it. I took the Batman poster out, and this is simply a 2-foot by 3-foot Batman poster that is laying here on the camera shelf. You can see as I start taking the pieces off that it's black butcher paper, a couple of pieces of wood, and the wood's purpose is to keep the black butcher paper from falling. This must be really good packaging. So you can see without the black paper here that you lose that quality of the reflection. But you can also now see where our camera's at. I simply took a couple of pieces of wood here on the top to lay that black paper over, and I wrapped everything around the camera frame. I have a couple of clips here. These are clips that actually go into our drop ceilings for hanging posters. I use those to kind of keep this poster frame in place on the TV screen. so that it didn't slide off the back of the television. Now, you might be asking, why am I taking this apart? Well, this was beginning of school. We needed a teleprompter. This is what we came up with what we had. So here is our updated version of our teleprompter. We've gone to a smaller TV. We went and bought a bracket on Amazon that simply attaches to a microphone stand to support that. We went to Target and bought a picture frame, and we took the glass out of that picture frame. It's cost us about $10. And we got black poster foam board. Super glued those things together. And again, the camera's right in the back. We were able to take some black paper right around the opening. It is a much smaller, confined product than what we initially had. But as you can see, we get the same results. I hope this will help you save money when it comes time to build your teleprompter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's edition of Tech Tips with Mr. Reece. Don't forget, subscribe down below and share it with your friends. Bye.